How to disable location tracking on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Over here, scroll down to select Privacy and Security from the menu. Here, you'll see Location Services on the top of the menu. It is a feature that allows apps and Apple to use your device's location for a variety of services. Now, go ahead and tap on Location Services to select. You'll see that your location services are turned on. Tap on it to turn it off. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Select Turn Off again to confirm. As you turn it off, your precise location is no longer accessible to any apps or system features. Following these steps, you can easily disable location tracking on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.